Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. If you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for the support. And for those of you that are familiar with keto and banting, please do share your social media handles. If you do post like meals and snacks and stuff and you give other people tips as well, then please do put it in the comments section in the comment section below so you can help myself and others that are also trying to be consistent on their journey to losing weight so they can also reach their goals. Guys, I'm actually standing up and today we are a bit up close and personal because we'll be doing substitutes that you can have on keto, and I'll be also showing you guys the snacks that I eat. Are you a snack? Am I a snack? Are we all snacks? Keto-friendly snacks. So yeah, that's what's happening today. But yes, please do share your handles, give a young intro if you want to, and so I can follow you and other people can follow you as well. Just drop your social media handles below in the comment section. That will be really so unnecessary. Please do share the videos as well with your family, your friends, your neighbor, your priest, your acquaintance. Please do share the videos with other people. You never know if someone else might need this information or might need a new a lifestyle change or a new lifestyle. So yeah. So we're gonna start with the substitutes. So first things first, I will show you my sources. So I get my source from Carb Smart, and if you can see, it does have 1000 island, and it is no added sugar, and per tablespoon it goes for 1 gram. They do have sweet chili as well if you are interested, and if that is your vibe. Also 1 gram. They have sticky brie, which is my personal favorite for my meat, to marinate my meat. They have mayo. I'm addicted to this mayo. So you can find Carb Smart products at Checkers, at Discount, at Food Lovers. You can find them at Spa as well. You can also get them from Banting Boulevard on their online store. I know Banting Boulevard is available within South Africa and in our neighboring countries as well, so you can order them online. Carb Smart products. And then we are gonna go to my sugar so you guys can see. So this is the sugar that I couldn't pronounce the other time. As you can see, it says pleasant tasting sweetener. It really is a pleasant tasting sweetener. I do prefer this one than stevia and xylem. And then we'll go to Nature's Choice. This is the almond flour that I was talking about. I haven't used it yet. I don't know what it tastes like, so I can't really tell you guys if it's nice or not. And then there's my personal favorite coconut flour that I use for baking. It is available at Discount. Another brand that sells substitutes for low carb is Truly Good. Brand is called Truly Good. They have wraps, they have pizza bases, they have lasagna sheets, they have pasta noodles. They do stock in South Africa. You can order from them online. They are also at not Pick and Pay. They are at, you can get them at Discount, and I think Food Lovers. I think you can also get them from Food Lovers, some selected Food Lovers, not all of them. You can get them at Spa as well, and I have tasted their wraps. Their wraps are really good. I'm not too sure about their pizza bases or their noodles, but you can get cauli noodles and stuff from Checkers or Woolies. Cauli rice, you can make it yourself. I mean, I bought one whole one and I'm gonna grate it, and it's just gonna be the rice. Yeah, so do shop around, look around, you will find substitutes pretty much everywhere. For substitutes for bread, there is We Love Low Carb on Instagram. They are based here in the Western Cape, and you can order from them on Instagram or online. They have rolls, they have bread, loaves, like loaves of bread. They have croissants. They have croissants. They have quite a variety of things actually. I think they also had hot cross buns and Easter, but I don't know what they like substitute for bread tastes like. I don't know what it tastes like. I can't really tell you guys if it's nice or not, so check them out. They deliver in South Africa. Now on to the snacks. Okay, before I show you guys, Gracious Bakers. Get your snacks from, well, not from Gracious Bakers, but the brand Gracious Bakers has rusks and biscuits, chocolate biscuits, vanilla biscuits. Like, their biscuits are really nice. Their rusks are really good as well. They sell from Checkers. You can get this stuff at Checkers. Check out where they stock their products online and where they stock their products within your region or within your country. They do they do sell their products in Namibia, they do sell their products in Botswana, they do sell their products in Zambia as well. So now on to the other sweet stuff that I like. So a personal favorite is this over here, Carrying Candies. And if you can see it properly, Carrying Candies, no nasty stuff, no nasty stuff. Also, you should have this not regularly. It's one of those things that you can have like once a week or once every 2 weeks. So you shouldn't have it all like any other snack. You should have it occasionally. So they do come in different flavors, like dark chocolate, milk chocolate. This one is no, I'm lying, it's toffee crunch. They do have mint as well. You do have dark chocolate option, which is also flavored as well. I also liked the Belgian milk chocolate from Woolworths, which had no sugar added and whatnot. And like, I don't know if they still have it, but like it comes in like a white package. It's like white packaging and black writing, and it's like shows you a picture of the chocolate. Yeah, so this Carrying Candies, do yourself a favor, like check them out online. They do deliver as well, and they are stocked at Dis-Chem. Don't think I've seen them anywhere else but Dis-Chem, but check Carrying Candies online and see where they stock within your region or within your countries. Another one for the sweet tooth, it's Not So Naughty from New Me. So this is the chocolate and pecan nut muffin mix. They do have cake in a mug. You can make the cake in a mug in like a couple of minutes. It is about, it's very low carb. It's about 2 grams of carbs per serving. Oh, it says less than 2 grams of carbs per serving. So it's very carb conscious, yeah? And they do have brownies as well. And I think they also have like a bread, they do have a bread mix. Yeah, I think I've seen a bread mix of theirs as well. This product is available at Clicks and at Dis-Chem and at Checkers. Also, if you do want ice cream options, like I mentioned before, Woolies has the low carb ice cream options, but you can also make your own ice cream using fresh cream, almond milk, maybe if you want to add double cream yogurt for like thickness. And I use cocoa. I use this cocoa, but I do want to find one that is lower in carbs, if that's even possible. I'm sure it is, but I will find another option for the cocoa. Also, I use this to bake, to add to the ice cream. Another thing that I like snacking on is granola. Yeah, so the Carb Clever one, it's coconut and vanilla flavored. This goes for about, per 30 grams, it's 2 grams of carbs. Yeah, I don't have it as cereal anymore. I just like having it alone as it is. It's really nice. It does, if you have a sweet tooth, it's perfecto. 2 grams of carbs per serving. Oh, okay. Also says they do also have almond and cocoa granola there. It's also really, really nice. One thing that I do suggest is that you buy yourself flour, you buy yourself the cocoa, you get yourself some baking soda, and I also got, as you can see, it's like finished. This is actually medium desiccated coconut. If I do make my own stuff, I like adding it to the ingredients, because most ingredients actually sometimes have coconut in it for the keto-friendly or banting-friendly stuff. Make sure you have that stuff and vanilla essence as well, and then you just add your eggs and your butter, and you got yourself a mix for like muffins or brownies, and you can also just make your own as well. Gracious Bakers that I mentioned before does have drinking chocolate. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure it tastes good judging from the biscuits and the rest. But I will be buying it now since it's like we're nearing winter time and some hot chocolate is gonna be needed. It's gonna be needed. Okay, with regards to savory snacks that I like, it's this bad over here. Crackers, these are seed crackers. This is Romani creams, girl. Romani creams. This is rosemary flavored. They do come in chili flavor, black pepper and salt, and plain salt. I think there's also other flavors as well. So I usually pair it up with cream cheese. I like it with the sweet chili or the spring onion and chives cream cheese, or cheese itself, or you can have it alone because it's flavored as well. You can also put peanut butter on it. Make sure it's no sugar added, guys, and do check the back with regards to the carbs. And then my fave biltong. So I love this moist sliced biltong or Wurst, which is finished right now because burst. You can also have pork cracklings. I'm not sure if people like that stuff, but you can have pork cracklings. So with regards to cool drinks, guys, I normally buy like sparkling water and have lemons and use my bad I know I call it bad and use my alternative sugar, okay, to make some lemonade. You can also use footies. Look for footies at Dischem, okay? Footies is like, it comes in like a tub or sachets. They usually have like raspberry, strawberry flavor, lime and lemon, and you can just mix it with your like sparkling water or soda water if you prefer it that way, or just plain water, and you can make yourself a cool drink that is low carb. If you are craving like fizzy drinks and stuff, that's what you can drink. You can also add it to like your plain yogurts, and you have yourself some flavored yogurt. Thank you guys for watching. Catch me on the next one where we talk about what I eat in a week to lose weight, while I'm also doing the Chloe Ting challenge to get abs in 2 weeks. I hope I'm like close. So please say a prayer for me. Say a prayer for the girl. Bye.